How to share a video without a sound on Android. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily share a video without a sound. So first of all, go ahead and open up your gallery application and select the video which you want to share without a sound. So I've got a few videos here. What I'm going to do is simply tap on the video with a sound. So this video doesn't have a sound. I'm going to tap on this one. As you can, this video has a sound. So what I'm going to do here is simply tap on the edit icon at the bottom. And then from here, you'll be taken to the phone's editor. You don't need any third-party apps to remove sound. You just have to tap on the volume or the sound icon. And then you can adjust the video volume. Just tap on it to mute it completely. Or if you just want to reduce the volume, you could do that as well. I'm going to mute it completely. And once that is done, tap on the three lines at the top right, and you can save a copy of this video. Now, as you can see here, a copy has been saved. So if I go back, there are two videos. So the first one here, it has the sound. If I go to the next one, there is no sound. So you can share this video with anyone you want. That is it for this tutorial, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.